Hello, this is Mr. Painter with another fabulous IXL tutorial. Today we have IXL D.9 multiplication with exponents. All right, let's give this one a try and see how well it works. All right, whenever you start an IXL, if you have an issue or don't know where to start, notice that we have something called Learn with an Example. So if I click Learn with an Example, it will tell us the key idea and an example of the solution for a problem. So let's take a look. Key idea: to multiply powers with the same base, we're going to add their exponents. Now you're probably thinking, well, what's the base? The base is the larger number that's below the exponent. In this case, the base of this number is 882, and the exponent of that is 4, and the exponent of this is also 4. Now, what exactly do we do? We're going to put the base as one number. So notice 882 stays the same, and the two exponents, we're just going to simply add it and leave it at that. Let's give this one a try and see how well it works. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the same base, and then I'm just going to add the exponents. So what I have here is 875 equals to, let's get a darker pen so we can see it. There we go. 875. And we have 2 plus 2. So then the next step is 875, and 2 plus 2 is to the 4th power. And that's really as far as I need to go. So let's see how well that works out. So I got 875 to the 4th power. I turned that in. All right, next we got 990 as our base. So 990 to the 9th power plus 4. Next step is we got 990. 9 plus 4 is going to be 13. So let's see if it works. So I got 990 to the 13th power. All right. Working good so far. Moving forward. So we got 621 to the 7th power plus 8 equals 621. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8. Oh, is 15. All right, so now let's go ahead and put 621 to the 15th power. All right, next step, we got 852 to the 5th power plus 6 equals 852 to the 11th power, because we got 5 plus 6 is to the 11th. All right, so 852 to the 11th power. All right, next up, we got 181 as our base, and then we got 7 plus 9. And by now, you're probably getting the idea. So we're at a smart score of 36. We're just adding the exponents. But if you want to see me go all the way up to 80, that's fine. We got 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9, is 16. So let's go ahead and dial that in there right there. So we got 181 to the 16th power. All right, next we got 579 to the 6th power plus 2. And next step we have 579, and 6 plus 2 takes us to 8. So we got 579 to the 8th power. All right, next up, let's see. I think you're kind of getting the idea. So we're going to go ahead and pick up the pace. So notice that we got 837. And for my exponent, I'm going to do 2 plus 4. And 2 plus 4 is going to be an exponent of 6. All right, next up, we got 475. Now, ooh, they're making the numbers a little bit bigger, but notice it's the same thing. 89 plus 5 is going to be 94. Next up, we got 300 with the exponent of 22. And how I got 22 is I got 21 plus 1 gives me 22. Next, we got 873 plus 1 plus 1. That's going to give us 2 there. All right, next we got 408. And also an exponent of 1 plus 1 is an exponent of 2. 980. We got 9 and 27 added together. So 9 plus 27 takes me to 36 for my exponent. So 36. All right, we have 360. 31 plus 2 is 33. Just double checking before I hit submit. All right, looks like we got one more problem to go to a smart score of 80 or higher. Last problem, I got 652. Then I got 1 plus 4 takes me to an exponent of 5. All right. We are at a smart score of 81, but just to do one more problem, if you want to keep going, you would just simply add. So let's do this one just to show you what a triple looks like. So we got 794. 34 plus 3 is 37. 37 plus 1 more is a exponent of 38. So it's the same concept, but you just add 1 more. So again, 34 plus 3 is 37. Exponent added 1 more is 38. All right, with that being said, this concludes our tutorial for IXL D.9 multiplication with exponents. Have a fantastic day.